Good evening, everybody. Deepa Rajganesh here. I'm the business partner with Arctic Traders, and I'm at Visitor Profile, taking care of the Visitor Profile at ACREX Bangalore 2025. And here I am at Armstrong building with a very dynamic young leader, Mr. Basanth. And good evening.
Thank you very much.
How are you doing?
Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. And before we move on to get on the fire chat with Mr. Basanth, quick profile of Mr. Basanth. I know him very well, but I want my viewers also to know more about Mr. Basanth. I know the industry knows about you, sir, but still to start with, Mr. Basanth, a mechanical engineer with 25 years of experience in pump industry, worked with various pump manufacturers in India and Middle East. Key contribution include establishing Armstrong brand in Indian and South Asian market as an energy efficient pumping solutions company. Part of key industry association HISRE, ASHRE, IGBC and AEEE. Joined Armstrong in 2008 and is responsible for sales in India and South Asia. So welcome and thank you for being here, and thank you for accepting to have a fire chat with ACREX 2025 Bangalore.
Thank you, madam. It's my pleasure.
Thank you very much, sir. So moving on to a quick fire chat questions with Mr. Basanth. So this time the ACREX 2025 Bangalore, it's more on the greener building and sustainability.
Right.
So as a OEM manufacturers, what is your take on it?
Yeah, so sustainability and lower carbon emissions, I think these are the two most important things looking at the perspective of global warming today where we are in. It's a big responsibility on the manufacturers, as I see, who can help achieve this by bringing in innovative solutions and which help our contractors, developers and end users to meet their ESG goals, and also being competitive and affordable to the industry. So I think it's pretty important having a sustainable and lower carbon footprint products to be in the market.
Exactly. And you talked about this carbon emission. So you are basically into the HVAC pumps.
Right.
So how does this HVAC pumps contribute in bringing down this carbon emissions?
Yeah. So pump is like heart in the body, right? And in a complete HVAC system, for it to perform efficiently, pump has to play a key role. Right. So I think by combining innovative technologies, right sizing of the product, and looking at the right configuration, these things can help in lowering the embodied carbon to a great extent. Right. At Armstrong, what we do is through our design envelope technology, we have encompassed latest motor technology, onboard intelligence, performance management solutions, and we have done the complete redesign of hydraulics, which has helped us achieve to reduce the weight of our products close to 50%. What this means is that it's a great step in lowering the embodied carbon in the whole HVAC industry.
That's great, great. As I entered this cabin, what attracted me was this design envelope. Can you just brief about it, sir?
Yeah. So design envelope technology from Armstrong, it's a manifestation of our core competencies, which include heat transfer, fluid flow, demand-based control, and digitalization.
Right.
These things which we have encompassed into our products, wherein it helps to model the system behavior. It continuously monitors the actual system conditions and thereby dynamically adjusting the operations to match the system demand.
Okay.
Right? So this is our design envelope technology, and one of our latest innovations is being this product here, which is called as a design envelope Tango pump. Now this is a great step in reducing the carbon, which is both embodied and operational carbon. Now, when you look at this product here, it has two rotating assemblies in a single casing, which means the piping required to install this product is a lot lesser than the traditional way. Okay. So, which directly relates to lowering the embodied carbon. Right. And this also comes up with parallel sensorless operation, which helps to reduce your maintenance costs. And of course, these products are flow meters by itself, so which gives another step in reducing your maintenance costs.
You're very much fit in this greener building and sustainable in ACREX. Thank you very much for that answer. I think now I'm from Kruger and we deal a lot of products on optimization. Now in this whole world of AI, BMS and innovation and even optimization, so where does the Armstrong product stands over there?
Yeah, so I think the first thing is what we all know is that the air conditioning consumes over 60% of energy in any building.
Yes.
Right? It's a big item there. So, and most often than not, we have seen that these air conditioning systems are over-designed. Now, in this scenario, it becomes a lot imperative that you have the data of the actual performance with you, and you also implement the right optimization strategies to reduce your energy costs. Right, which is a key thing which we talked about sustainability, we talked about lower carbon footprint, right? So optimization strategy is something very key. At Armstrong, we have unique optimization strategies, not only for the pump but also for the entire plant room. So the concept, what we look at here is we look at the entire plant room's performance and then go into those individual pieces of equipment and ensure that they operate at the most energy efficient way, right? As opposed to the traditional ways of operating the equipments in silo modes. So this unique approach gives opportunity to reduce energy costs to close to about 30%.
Oh, that's good. Very good.
Which again helps you being sustainable and then lowering your carbon emissions.
That's very good, sir.
Yeah.
Much before this interview, we had a small chat in your canteen. So you talked about your expansion plans in Bangalore. Right. So make in India. So that's where everyone talking about it. Yeah. So I'm proud that you have a setup in Bangalore and you're expanding in, because I have visited your Pinia factory and you said one more coming up. So your take on it.
Yeah. So Make in India is a great initiative by the Indian government, right? And we Armstrong are committed towards it. So when we came into this country, or Armstrong came into this country, we came with a proper manufacturing setup, right? That's day one where we started. And currently we are operational in Bangalore with 2 manufacturing plants and 1 global capability center where we currently are located. And so now the Indian market is so encouraging and the demand is so overwhelming that we are now planning for, or in the process of building a new plant, which is going to help us, meet our customers' demand.
Amazing. Yeah. Very good. So so ACREX is all around the corner. We have another 20-25 days left. Less than that, I suppose. Yeah. And this happening in Bangalore. So this is the first time we are bringing this ACREX after COVID.
Right.
I mean, the Bangalore has missed ACREX for almost 2 times. And as I was talking to sir that I'm in the visitor profile, Deepa, you should be getting more of footfalls. Yeah.
Right.
That's what we should be doing that.
Yes.
So as a product exhibitor, so what are your expectations from the ACREX?
Well, ACREX being in Bangalore is one very special for us because we also belong to this city and we have got a manufacturing.
It's in Namma Bengaluru.
Namma Bengaluru, of course, yes. And it's been happening after a long gap.
Very much.
Right?
True.
So it's a much anticipated event for us. We look forward to it. And I see ACREX as one platform where the manufacturers get to showcase their innovative solutions, right? And they also get an opportunity to interact with the consultant community, the contractors and the end users, where there is a lot of collective learning which happens, right? So it's a pretty good platform and a lot of preparations on the way, and we look forward to being there.
Great, because Kumar, I've been talking on the market. Deepa, we are looking forward for ACREX, so definitely we are very excited to be part of it. So, and this time in ACREX we have this innovation pavilion.
Right.
So as I know, like at the background we have this design envelope. So probably you should be putting a lot of products on the innovation pavilion.
Right.
So do you want to like brief about it?
Yes, one of our, as I mentioned, one of our latest innovations is, we call it as design envelope tango pump, and which is here.
So this will be part of our ACREX.
This is being displayed at the innovation solutions, and as I previously talked about it, it has a lot of potential to reduce carbon footprint and energy costs, thus being very sustainable in the HVAC plant room designs.
Right.
So this is going to be there, and another unique thing about this product is that this product is a flow meter by itself. So maintaining the HVAC systems becomes a lot easier with all these features. And to add to this, this product comes with a feature called Pump Manager, which is a cloud-based analytical tool, which actually gives the smart analytics and alerts to the user. So a user knows how the equipment is performing 24/7, and which it gives them a lot of insights on what actions they need to take to run their system.
It is going to be the showstopper for this ACREX from Armstrong.
So, yes, definitely. Yeah,
thank you very much. So your closing remarks to the viewers who are watching us for ACREX.
I would recommend anyone who is involved in the HVAC industry to come visit ACREX. This is a comprehensive show where you get to know everything about HVAC systems.
Exactly.
And especially I think would be a good learning platform for the new industry entrants who wants to take HVAC as their career.
Right.
I think this is a great platform for everybody.
Definitely.
Yeah.
So myself and the whole of Armstrong team are going to be part of in the ACREX. So I hope to join with everyone who are watching us. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you
nice
so much.
meeting you,
Thank
and
you, madam.
very good chat. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.